Here's an unusual camellia species called Camellia transnokoensis, which not many people will know, but it flowers quite early in the year and has these gorgeous tiny little white flowers and really quite small and delicate leaves. And this is our greenhouse stock plant, which we've been propagating from, so that Burncoose will have this species available next spring on the website. But Camellia transnokoensis is a difficult camellia, and probably one to keep in the greenhouse or conservatory, because we found that we had a 4 to 5 foot tall plant out in the garden and it was killed stone dead in the beast from the east in March 2018. And we literally watched over the weekend as the cold east wind came and the leaves browned off. Since then we've decided to keep the stock plant in the greenhouse for propagation purposes. Elsewhere in Cornwall I've seen this species growing, although not much more than 4 or 5 feet at the most, but it's been growing in a much more sheltered position and not in a frost pocket and exposed to the east wind, which is where we had it. This is clearly closely related to a tea camellia. Camellia cuspidata and Camellia tsai have quite similar flowers, but this is hugely floriferous and a wonderful thing to have in the conservatory or the greenhouse to cheer up the early part of the year. The majority of camellias, of course, don't need to be kept indoors, but this peculiar little Chinese species does.